Do you ever wonder what would happen if the Earth's average temperature rises by just 2 degrees Celsius? Well, the answer isn't as simple as a warmer winter. This seemingly small rise could trigger a series of catastrophic events, leading us to a future that none of us would want to be a part of. It's not a distant possibility, but a harsh reality. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change reports that we're currently on track for a 3 degrees Celsius rise. With this in mind, the question isn't if our world will change, but how much and how fast. The World Meteorological Organization states that the past 6 years have been the warmest on record. This increase isn't just making our summers hotter. It's causing polar ice caps to melt at an unprecedented rate. In fact, data from NASA's Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment shows that Greenland lost an average of 283 gigatons of ice per year between 2002 and 2016. This is compared to a rate of 139 gigatons per year in the 1990s. This meltwater is pouring into our oceans, causing sea levels to rise. The global mean sea level has risen by about 3.3 millimeters per year since 1993, according to the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. This could lead to the displacement of millions of people living in coastal areas. Meanwhile, the increased heat is causing more frequent and intense heat waves, wildfires, and storms. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration reports that the number of weather and climate disasters costing over $1 billion each in the United States has more than doubled in the last decade. And it's not just about the weather. Rising temperatures are also threatening our food supply. The Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations warns that for each degree of global warming, the world's wheat yields are expected to fall 6%, rice yields to fall 3.2%, maize yields to fall 7.4%, and soybean yields to fall 3.1%. So where does this leave us? With a clear choice. We must take action now to slow down and eventually stop this catastrophic trend. We must reduce our carbon emissions, switch to renewable energy, and adapt our lifestyles to be more sustainable. Climate change isn't just a problem for future generations, it's happening now, and it's affecting all of us. So, what can we do? The answer is a lot. Every small step counts. Now, I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Did this video help you understand the severity of climate change? Please comment with your feedback. And if you found this information useful, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more interesting and informative videos. Together, we can make a difference. Every voice counts, and yours could be the one that makes a real difference.